Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make something very easy but very flavorful soup within a couple of minutes. Very fast. Okay, I'm going to make a tomato egg soup. Alright, so I have here two pieces of tomato, minced. Now, very often they will actually remove the skin of the tomato so that the soup will be smoother. But Appa actually prefer to keep the skin on. So there's no rules in Appa's kitchen. You do what you like. This is your dinner. But for those who want to peel off the tomato skin, the easier way is to actually soak your tomato inside hot boiling water. Then after a while, it's very easy to peel off. Yeah. Then this is about 2 pieces, and I actually mince it. And this is few pieces of ginger. And we have some yellow onion here, some spring onion here. Let me focus it, and let me focus on my egg. Oh, not Appa's egg, sorry, chicken egg. Okay, I have 2 pieces of egg here. Okay, so up to you how much you want to put lah. And actually at the side, I have 3 bowls of chicken stock. Right, this is 3 bowls. How do you actually measure for your family? Let's say your family, each person drink 1 bowl of this. Then you just use this bowl to measure. I use 3 bowls, so I put 3 bowls of water here. It's always very easy. Okay, so let's start cooking. So we are going to give it a bit of oil to saute our tomato. To start with, probably about 2 tablespoons. Then you want to saute the ginger. Ginger and tomato comes together really well. It actually will help to remove some of the earthiness of the tomato, if any. So we are going to saute this for a couple of minutes before we continue. We'll come back shortly. Okay, this is after about 2-3 minutes sauteing. You can see most of the tomato has already melted. Yeah, we still a little bit 20-30% of tomato chunks inside. This is the kind of consistency I personally like. You can choose to saute until whichever situation. 100% melted also can, up to you. I do prefer my tomato soup to have a little bit of bite feel, yeah, 口感. Next thing, we'll put in the chicken stock. And let's bring this to a boil. And I will also add in the yellow onion and the white portion of the spring onion. And we shall bring it to a boil. Okay, so once the soup starts to boil, we can actually give it some seasoning. Look at the beautiful orangey color, yeah? So I give it some salt. I'll add in a little bit of my favorite premium Vietnamese fish sauce. All the ingredients I use, you can find it inside the video description, okay? Very fragrant. Very appetizing soup, yeah, this one. So yes, now boil for about 2-3 minutes. You can let it boil a bit longer, really up to you. And some people here, there's 2 versions, okay? There's one which is they will add some starch solution inside. Then it becomes a starchy soup. Appa doesn't like starchy soup. So I'm not going to add in the starch solution, but you can. So really up to you, okay? Then next thing we do is we'll beat the 2 eggs inside the bowl, season it with a little bit of fish sauce or salt and white pepper. I'm going to tune down the fire a little bit. And we are going to slowly add in the egg slowly. Raise the fire again. And the remaining of the spring onion. Few dashes of white pepper. It's basically done. See how simple it is? I'm going to off the fire. Very appetizing but very yummy and super simple tomato egg soup. And I'm going to serve it right now. So prepare a serving bowl. Here's our nice tomato egg soup. And there you go. You can garnish it with few splashes of white pepper on top if you like. Okay, so this is how simple it is, but I assure you it's very good and it's done within 10 minutes. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Tell Appa how you would actually cook this soup in a different manner. Put it in the comment section below. Bye bye.